Richie feeling this I represent for Entertainment Report podcast with muscle. Cause remember, you know, the girl them like when you have muscle. You understand? Honor the grip, honor the muscle, and them can bunk shuffle. All the girls them all tight, saying, I'm big up for the self, okie dokie. And the girl them big up for the pokey. Saying, easy. Entertainment Report podcast. Lord, have his mercy.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight, we have a real special guest in the building. This man here, he talks to things. He's one of the hottest selectors out of Jamaica. When you want to have fun, check his Instagram page in the morning, because trust me, he has everything going on. You know who we have in the building tonight? We have Richie Feelings in the building tonight. What's going on, big boss?
Wow, go and jump it.
Well, good. You know what I mean? Everything's good.
Yeah, man, definitely life over that.
All right, welcome back to the 6.
All the time, 6 is real.
All right, you know it's real.
Definitely.
When was the last time you were actually in Toronto?
Last September.
Yeah, that was with Spice.
Right.
Yes, because I know you travel with Spice, your backer and DJ from time to time.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean? And I know that one didn't really work out, though. That show didn't work out at all.
Yeah, circumstances beyond our control.
Yeah. It was good to go. You know how it goes sometimes. Who else, when it comes to artists, is there any other artists that you're there back in DJ?
You know, say, really and truly, me is a Bojo Bantan DJ / Spice / Richie Feelings.
Yeah.
I know me is an entertainer.
Of course, all around.
So, if a gospel group call me for the backings.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't limit yourself when it comes on to music.
Yeah.
Because music have different genres. So once you put yourself in a position to be everywhere, you will be all right.
Yeah. And you figured that out a long time ago.
Long time.
Yeah. It's all good. Let's get into the beginning here. How did you get your name, Richie Feelings?
All right. You know, say first, I used to name Richie Feel It.
That was your original name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's like me hear a Jay-Z song and say, I'm feeling it.
Yes,
feeling it.
yes. Original, yeah.
And you know, so that song there from in the 90s.
Uh-huh.
See, I mean, everything I say, you know, me, I feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Celine Dion sing a song and say, I want you to feel me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so everything with us, I say, yo, I feel it.
Yeah.
So everything, you know, I'm just, you know, so our feelings my name.
Yeah.
So that's some I have the name there from in the 90s.
From in the 90s?
Yeah, I have the name there.
Did you have it before you were playing sound or when you started playing sound?
I have it when I started like playing sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's get into your history here. What was the first song that you actually started playing?
All right, I hail from a community called Annette Garden.
Yes.
Otherwise called Concrete Jungle.
Mm-hmm.
See, so I used to play on a song called Love Stone.
Okay, I know that song.
Right?
Yeah.
Love Stone was like, you know, the ghetto champion.
Yeah.
So no matter how much color you had come down there, and we had the Samson, you know?
Yeah.
Because we had the crowd favorite. They know me already a jovial youth. I mean, always for the girls them because that is what most people don't tend to look at. They tend to leave out the girls them. And if you go somewhere and you say a bag of money, you're not going to want to stay.
No.
So, Love Stone was my first song.
Yeah. And how long were you actually on Love Stone for?
We don't know what they will come from, you know?
Yeah.
And it had no jungle, so we depend it. And that's how we there master we craft from one turntable. Right? So we come from one turntable and the grassroots this.
Yeah.
Where we used to go Shelly Power and you know the techniques and dynamics and them places they could get
the record store. Uh-huh.
Right. So we have come from that era there. So we did a couple of years and that. Then you know we went to England in 2000.
Okay.
2001 we went to England, yeah. And we got to England, we go over there and say we're going to play music, play upon a sound. But it's like, when you go to a new country, as a nobody, it's a start over process.
For sure.
Because it's like nothing never set. So because nothing wasn't set, it was hard. It could have been easy if you have somebody putting you through the door. But when you have talent, talent alone don't bring you. You have to know people. And because the man who were there before when they meet new talent, because remember, them did a long time and them do them thing and them say them a Lord Jesus Christ. But when them see new talent come on, because people like fresh things,
Yeah.
See me? And when them hear fresh things to them ears, them take it on. So we did about 5 months and 3 weeks in England. Then we come back home.
Okay.
Go back to Liquor Sound and things never work out. So we approach Weepo. And when we approach Weepo say, yo, nothing now go on produce like him say, basically he never have no space.
Yeah.
So you don't know that until one day we get a call.
Okay.
And this was when Willie got died.
Yes.
I say, yo, come play 2 songs for because him selected them wasn't available and thing. And so we come from the era.
Yeah.
Him just say, yeah. So then from there now, get some like 1 and 2 dance, like went there and then we went to Yankee. They had a set up for Yankee when Yankee died.
Yes.
Like a Yankee, God bless. Seen and reach there so. Then the big dance now me get me and Swamp King and Iceberg went to give me a bit in Clarendon.
Okay.
So reach and give me the bit now. It's like show me new up on the sound and nobody don't know me. It's like when 10 people even at the dance, Swamp King give me the mic, So it's like, not even because we new to country and them place there.
Okay.
But we had a determination to reach the top. So it's like all the fight where we'd get like that in the phase we
It's part of the process.
Yeah, because not don't come easy.
Yeah.
And if you want to go them say knows have to run.
For sure.
So right now we got through all of that phase there on Stone Love and 2001, 2002, 2003.
So that's when you came into the fold of Stone Love was 2001.
Yeah.
There.
Come right to 2007.
And then when you got to Stone Love, who was actually on Stone Love and who was the big man on Stone Love at that time there?
Well, on that time on Stone Love, Swamp King was there. Everybody was basically there. Nico Bam Bam just leave.
So you and Nico weren't on the song at the same time?
No.
Okay.
And then you have Jet Li.
Yes, wow.
You see me, so it was Diamond, Jet Li, Billy Slaughter, G-Force, Rory, Chris Cross, and Iceberg. See? So, and Swamp King. So all of them guys I did up on the sound. So it's like our Stone Love setup. A lot of people don't know. Stone Love is a sound that can play many places.
For sure.
So one of the things that we both taught me is you have to learn to can play by yourself. Because a time will come where you have to defend Stone Love.
Yeah, okay.
And anybody who know about Stone Love know that Stone Love is a brand.
Yeah.
Because we grew up and know that Stone Love stands alone.
Of course.
You understand? And I always dream to play Stone Love. Stone Love was a dream of mine. So me live my dream already.
Yeah.
Understand?
And the funny thing with it, you're coming from a song named Love Stone.
Right.
And you end up on Stone Love.
Right, because it was like a Stone Love very look
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand? So
Yeah.
all the while when I come from jungle, Stone Love was a place, it was a sound where I always admire how the selector them dress, them wear suit and certain occasion and them carry them and them talk a certain way. And
it's a brand, as you said.
Understand? So it's like you go to a job and you have to carry out this job and do the job well.
Yeah.
Zine, so when we get the break, cause me I say, yo, the man they gonna foreign, the man they gonna country, the man they gonna so anyway they get to dance them there, and me there. And once them send me there, a problem. I remember me have all of the style them.
Yeah, because you like that type of environment.
You understand? Anywhere the gravel there and the dirt.
That's you.
Richie's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just go about and take my time because remember, you work for a company,
Yeah.
And some man there before, and I'm just afraid of your ambition.
Yeah, seniorities and stuff
understand?
Like that.
So I get that fight there.
Okay.
And me know me determined for one.
Yeah.
I remember go on and create. And I get selected 2 years back to back.
Okay.
You understand? And at one time I made the most traveled selector on the sound because everybody want Richie feelings
because of your style, how you brought it, the argument, the vibes, everything.
You have like, it's like you have to have a charisma and charm. Because playing music is an art.
Yeah.
You know, me and Diamond build a band where it was like a compatibility where we just knew what to do. Because Diamond, like I always say, you play the first round and me will play the prime time round. So me and Diamond build that. So me know, like we have the chemistry that we're in. The first 10 songs, we just stop. No, say, all right, so me can just go there without even looking.
Yeah.
And if me put me hand so, him know, say, if me move me, so,
signals.
So, I chemistry the bill and, you know, me and Diamond, Richie Feelings and Diamond.
That was the combo. That was who you actually gelled with the most and really said, okay, you know what? This is the team right here.
Because remember, say, Stone Love, you know. Everybody, you have to learn to play with everybody.
Yeah.
But they don't know you get comfort. Because Diamond, everybody used to love play with Diamond because of his passion for the music. But me and him, because different with me, I take chances with music. I love playing new songs.
Yeah.
Because I will hear Dog Teeth.
Yeah.
And I just say, so me I drop Dog Teeth right there. So me say, like, these things are what you use. Like how Ricky Chopper them do. You have to take chances with your name.
Yeah.
It might build you or it might break you.
But you don't know until you take that chance.
Right, so you can't say, no song is the other song, they are idiot song, because you might not like it, but somebody else like it.
Yeah.
See me, I don't care how good the ears is, somebody ears is better. See, so we are coming from the route there, and 2007, we make an exit off of Stone Love.
Hold on, don't move yet. I want to know, give me 3 of your biggest events or 3 memorable moments you had on Stone Love.
Well, Fully Loaded was one of the big events.
Yeah.
Stone Love anniversary.
Yeah.
And
which Fully Loaded or which year? Do you remember the year Fully Loaded?
I would think it was, if it's not 2004, it's 2005.
Yeah.
Fully Loaded. Seeing it was one of those years.
Yeah.
And
that was I guess, with Matterhorn. Was King Addies on that one there?
No, King Addies was Code Red and Footer Hype and
yes.
Some other people was on it. But you know, Fully Loaded, when you hear about Fully Loaded, is like it's a clash.
Yeah.
You understand? And then, you know, you have to be creative.
Yeah.
Yeah, going out there and juggle and cut a captain back and a busy signal.
Okay.
You understand? So those 2 songs, I could remember them like it was yesterday. And mash up the whole place with my argument them for the woman them, because you know nobody never got talk for the woman that Fully Loaded. I mean, a big gun and see me? So that was a memorable moment that I will never forget on Stone Love anniversary.
Yeah.
And couple more other events where I can pinpoint and say if you have a all black that keep in Mass Camp.
Mass Camp used to keep some of the biggest dances at one time.
Yeah, so those events was some event that, and I played at an event in Milk River also, that them time they like where I test which girl have credit on them phone.
Yeah. yes.
If you know, say you have credit on your phone, call a number here.
Yeah.
Then, I remember people come and give them Diamond number.
Yeah.
Then, so people call Diamond phone like, whoa. So the dance was a memorable dance also.
Yeah.
So yeah, Stone Love was a dream.
Yeah. So then this reality. Now, where did it start to crumble where you said, you know what, I gotta leave before whatever happens?
All right, put it like this. When you're living your dream, a lot of people not going to like when you live in a dream. And some people have more, what do they call it now? Some people have more clout than you, or bigger resume than you, where for them voices, it have weight.
Yeah.
So it's like if you and those people are not good, you're going to become a problem. You understand? Because anybody who know about music knows there's enough hypocrite in music.
Of course.
You understand? And when them can't get it for them way, you becomes an enemy to them.
Yeah.
See? So it's like, it was becoming a problem where me and some people don't agree, and They might try to get me. Because when you're the forefront man on a sound or in any business, they might try to target you.
Yeah.
So when them target you for come on for them side and you know come, it's like them say, hey, it's either over this side or where you got a problem, you know. I'm saying, no, so I'm rather take the problem.
Yeah.
You see me? Because remember, you know, you're working for a company. The company stand for a certain thing. But you realize, say, yo, a company come like say them not do the worker. So the worker is wrong. It's like them always I say the customer is always right. So the worker never in the right. The worker is always in the wrong. Saying? So it was the issue there. So it's like, you know, the boss same thing is time I should go and test the water.
Yeah. Okay, so you brought up these issues and then WePow said, you know what?
It was evident.
Yeah.
It was evident that there was some big issues.
Yeah.
Where me and some artists never mesh and
Or was artists too? I thought it was probably selectors on the song.
oh man, select up on sound, me never have no problem with no select up on the sound.
Yeah.
Select up problem with me of swallow that.
Yeah.
Because remember say we don't have to play on the same dance. Because remember say the sound split up in how much.
Yeah,
you can
that's
play how
true.
much place. So
That's
it's like,
true.
It never was a selector issue.
Yeah.
You understand? So you don't know. Me the man where I speak my mind freely, you know. And sometimes the truth can be an offense.
1000% agree.
So it's like the truth became an offense when I talk.
Yeah.
So like, you know, them say Richie I go on like and him act like him reach now and thing. So you don't know when you reach certain age and you remember say you have all your big pit in them and them something. They have to make decisions for you and your family. You see me? So it's like when them say for go test the water, I make up my mind and say I go test the water. It was a hard pill for swallow.
Of course, because you remember, you've seen the big song, wanting to get there, got there, you know. And remember, it's never the same way that you think it's going to be once you're inside. Now, this dream has crumbled, and I got to go back on the road by myself.
But remember, say I've never been on the road by myself. Because remember, say you're on a little sound.
Yeah.
That little sound is just one place you're there.
Yeah.
But when you're on a big sound, now you see the world.
Yeah.
Because that's the difference, you know. Playing on tour road a night, you play one night per week, while you used to playing every night per week because all of it is sound that's a business, 7 days a week. So you know you go get the experience for go every parish in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Plus you get the experience to travel overseas worldwide.
Yeah.
See, so it's a dream.
Yeah.
So the dream came to a halt.
And this is 07?
Yeah, man, 2007, man, Easter time, April, man.
You remember it clearly.
Can't forget.
Yeah. What was it like the first time on the road by yourself now?
When I say I go test the water, you know, because me had go ball, because I say, yo, I'm a dream this now, you know. My dream this. I say, because remember, say, before that, me start, then me Thursday.
Yes, this is when you
Yeah, man, Matterhorn, Jigsy, Penny Bling.
yes, Penny Bling them, yes.
Yeah, man, so they don't know, it's a unity, alright, a body of people,
Yeah.
make things move quicker. So they don't know Ben Thursday start and it's a family thing, it start nice.
And this was with Stone Love, not Richie Feelings.
No, man, this a Richie feeling, this
Richie.
is not a Stone Love.
Got you.
This was a Thursday.
Yeah.
What a Richie and friends this. You understand? So this now I'm not to do it Stone Love.
Got you.
So it's like, I don't need to have a foot outside already.
Oh, but you were still playing Stone Love at that
Yes.
time. Got you.
See me, so this was just a me and my friend them thing.
Yeah.
You see me, and well, it's not have a problem with you and your friend them and do what you love.
Yeah.
See me, it not conflict of interest of in business. See me, so people come and approach me, say them want to book me, and me I say no, because them tell me still up on Stone Love. Because let me tell you this. You have some people claim say them like you, but a Stone Love name them like.
You know this, Richie.
You understand? So me know this. So when a man come to me, I say, yo, me get paid good. Because I can't tell a man this money wasn't the issue with WePow and me.
Yeah.
I would have never said that. WePow pay me. So if a man say WePow not pay him, me and him will fight for that.
Yeah.
You understand? Because we're in respect. Joe respect is Joe.
1000%.
You see me? WePow give me opportunity and I was just, as I say, some individual get in the way.
Yeah.
And you don't know because him just feel like said them have bigger name than me and you never choose my side. So me take for them side. But you don't know. no hard feelings, because you don't know from 2007 that I over a decade.
Yeah.
You understand? I was still there, right? So right now, 2020, and we're there up on a show, right?
Yep, 1,000%.
And remember this. I come to Canada first time 2003. Zine upon Stone Love, I come.
Yeah.
Me and Bill Cosby and Laba Laba.
This man said Laba Laba, yes.
I went to Calgary and Toronto. See him play a couple history dance well. See him, I go all of the places in Canada go play music already, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Canada is always a place where I always love to come. Out of every country, I tell people that I love Canada because Canada is a clean country. You know, you hear about Young Street and Eglinton. You understand? You hear about these places and you say, a lie. You got Vancouver. Stole of me got Vancouver.
Okay.
You understand? And Vancouver, the reggae scene a big down there. Reggae scene about 150 people. I don't know if it grow 50 more hour.
And this was at Stone Love this time. You're only bringing those type of numbers.
I remember down at them place there, ice hockey and
yeah.
you
know what you're talking about.
Down at them place are cold. Seeing, so you don't know, Stone Love always actually discover place and bring reggae music to them place there.
Yeah.
Because remember, 2003, you have some man who leave Jamaica from 1978. And a Stone Love him sound. So when he meets a Stone Love come, I'm going to come out because he miss him sound. Seeing? So, yeah, we're up on Bembe, and Bembe gets so at 2007, 2008, 2009. Like, the whole way I get paid, but they don't know me, I'm the big man.
Yeah.
So me get the most date where people want to see me because, as I say, talent not sell off a tree road,
Yeah.
So people used to my charisma and charm. Remember, we never have no Instagram them time there. See me? So people that feel us work off for your voice. So you say the audio when we put out on Stone Love, that audio carry me through, plus the audio when me put out. So you have to give thanks to Bigger Tough.
Yeah.
Seeing? You have to give thanks to Bigger Tough, because Bigger Tough is a man that take my voice.
Of course.
Seeing? And 2,000.
Yeah.
That is Dancehall Channel TV.
Of course.
Seeing? So them man there, come in and say, oh, them man that tape your voice, you have to sell. So my voice is a selling voice.
Yeah.
So people used to come in, me the pants Stone Love, you used to have Cassette Jones, them tape my voice and, you see me? Cassette Ninja. Because remember Cassette Ninja, when me never know him, Cassette Ninja is a man who did say, oh, that Richie, nobody don't know him.
Yeah.
See me? And then the same man who say nobody don't know him, run me down for tape my voice. Because me becomes a seller.
But of course.
So everybody ever believe in you at first.
No hard feelings.
Seeing, so no hard feelings. And you don't know. I play with all of the big names, selected them over here, pan Stone Love, and then on my own.
Yeah.
See me? Because I come go a place where Stone Love never send me.
Yeah. Okay.
See?
As Richie Feelings.
Yeah, definitely up to the day, yeah.
Yeah.
See? We have got Montreal by ourselves, we have got Ottawa by ourselves, we have got Edmonton and Calgary by ourselves.
Yeah.
See? We have got a Winnipeg by ourselves. And these places, you see me, we come to Toronto much time. Seeing by ourselves, so it's like everywhere we Stone Love go, we go back there more than once. Because as I say, you have some man, them leave Stone Love and carry Stone Love name with them. See me? But when me leave Stone Love, we just carry my talent.
Yeah.
Seeing?
Big difference.
Yes, so there's a big difference. Me and I say Richie Feelings, family from Stone Love.
Richie Feelings.
Some resume there, you know.
Yeah.
Bembe are.
Yeah.
Resume is there.
Of course.
Seeing? So it's a journey where we're still there, We don't reach the way where we want to reach, because, like, we come to Canada, but we still don't reach to the mass of Canada yet.
Yeah.
We're still there in the dancehall set. And I want to step out of that.
Yeah.
When a man see me on the posters, him just say, yo, at 8 o'clock, him have to come out for Richie Feelings.
Yeah.
You understand? Because the real DJ, them people, because remember, say you have some people, them come out from them time there.
Of course.
See? So you can't, when you hear a DJ call them until they say them play 4 gig over the weekend for a Super Bowl in a one night.
Yeah.
A All-Star weekend. Me not reach now yet. Because remember, say, DJ Khaled is a DJ like me. But I'm in a different market. So when we go to and break in the market, that's why you're not going to hear me and a man catch up over a little place where them say no smoking in the club.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
We are going to California one time, we play for the young, we can't play for everybody, we're very diverse. Because as a DJ, you have to can play and adjust.
Of course.
You have some place, the microphone, you're not going to use it a whole heap. You're going to use it a few times.
Yeah.
Because remember, when you talk to the people, you have to break down your language. Because you have to say, The girl let me know say and I make a bag of nice.
Right. It's not that place, yes.
You have to break it down and then speak don't say all the ladies in the house.
Yeah.
Understand? So you have to break it down
and you'll give them that style from time to time.
So you have to charm them.
Yeah.
You understand? And always remember that music is a passion. It comes with a whole heap of things. You can play music and take out somebody out of a problem that they were in and they just feel like, oh my God, they saved my life. So it all depends on the DJ at night time. So I know how to play music because I learned from Stone Love.
Yeah.
Weepo was a mentor to me.
What's the biggest thing that Weepo taught you or told you about music that you said, you know what, I'm going to take this on the journey for the rest of my life?
Learn to play by yourself.
Yeah.
Because you can't depend on people.
Yeah.
Because you go to bomb and I depend on a man if you play Murder, She Wrote.
Yeah.
And him play Kill Me, that one woman can't sweet so.
Yeah.
And that you understand? So
you weren't...
You're not going to feel yourself if you bang by yourself.
Yeah.
And that is what I did up to the day. Yeah. And a DJ can play for me, but it's like it I got hard. Because I got to tell him where I want. Chemistry there, I got hard for Bill.
Yeah.
I come and can tell us I'm trust Diamond to the fullest.
Yeah. Because when I was with Diamond and Paul about 2 weeks ago, and he was talking about you. He was telling me about a dance that you guys played in, I think it was Jungle. It was somebody's memorial.
Jim Brown Memorial.
Jim Brown's memorial, yes. And he said the amount of gunshots that he heard around there that night that you guys popped off.
Yeah, because you know them dancer them dancer used to give a stripe on your shoulder.
Yeah.
Because the firelings and Matterhorn used to run them dancer when morning light about no busy about no stone over no swash.
Yeah.
I'm saying, may I forgot in a this.
Yeah.
Because since every time the CD I play back people I listen links and Matterhorn, so I want to reach your feelings. See? So I put myself involved in it. Because I say, Jim Brown Memorial, all of the hell of them will pass off down there, them name I've got mentioned.
Yes.
We get Alley Cat.
Continue the story, because this is the exact story that Diamond told me off the air. I want you to tell me on the air.
Remember, say, Jim Brown Memorial come up is a big thing. Stone Love always on it. Swash is always on it. I think Monica won't play upon it 1 year, but it's always 5 sound on this party.
Okay.
And when morning a light out, 2 man them always a leave.
Links and Matterhorn.
You know, you Stone Love. And me just come by the sound now, I say, eh? Well, like one man in the car, first time when I get the work and go down there, I reach down there and when Shubidoo I play.
Okay.
Shubidoo up, mean like, you know, the good old hits, them Alton Ellis and, you know?
Yeah.
Some Studer one. But after I get the name now, I realize that when the sun is shining out, the people are ready for party. Because people them come out like some zombie, you know?
Yeah. Yes.
So, say, I learn the craft.
Yeah.
Guys, a craft.
Of course.
When I notice Matterhorn, them in them time, them fresh. Because Matterhorn wake up out in bed 5 o'clock. Them telling me done tired and burn out already coming down there from 11. So I just learn the craft. I remember I come from a jungle.
Yeah.
So I leave my yard 4 o'clock. Diamond come pick me up.
Yeah.
So we fresh too. So if them go 2 hours, me I go 2 hours too.
Yeah.
See? So voice Alicat, voice Aidonia. I mean I one of the first, that's the first place I play Aidonia first song.
Okay.
A song is Jim Brown bust the eagle, the ground shake on them feet.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know these things.
Yeah.
See, because music have a whole heap of history, you know. But they have some man that's afraid for talk. Them no want, like, them afraid for say, other man they did do this.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, man.
Wow, that Jim Brown time. Wow. It's, as I said, he told me about that time and gunshots like crazy fired down there.
So, all right. When they used to hear shots them time there, it used to sound sweet.
Yes.
Because you know, so in the ear, them a fire it and off on the body.
No.
Now when you hear shot, now you get scared. I mean,
Different
I tell a
time.
man, say, me hear clappers right now. I want to run with
Yeah.
Because time so serious right now. That's that generation and like the big man, them not like nobody. See me them a do this thing like it's a cloud chasing thing. So I don't like your gunshot again.
Yeah. It's not that type of vibe.
No.
Want to get into some more your history there. So then now you left Stone Love and you started, they said test the water. So when did you actually start to swim? When you said, okay, I tested, and you felt here right away.
Remember me leave with my name I'm a hat, you know.
Yeah.
So I like say I go out there and I paddle.
Yeah.
I now go out there and I try like a life jacket. Japan. First place I go Japan.
Okay.
First place I go.
Yeah.
Japan.
Yeah.
For the 1 month. No, that's not the first place. First place I go Italy.
Okay.
Yeah, Ratatam Splash.
Big festival.
I go Ratatam Splash.
Yeah.
Remember, this summer go first. After my ball and say, oh, Jesus. Them say, Then I go to Japan, then the whole world will start calling me all about. See? Yeah, man, Boston, yo, New York, Chicago, yo, Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Yo, I remember say Bembe hot, so everybody wants to see Bembe Mami.
Yes.
You understand? So like all of that, I remember saying I like say I test them a try with me. Everywhere me go, man, because I remember the girl them love me, you know.
Of course.
I remember me have whole heap of style, so as I tell you, say you have charisma and charm. Because I remember say
vibes.
Yeah, how me get the charm, watch how Matterhorn charm the girl them. Because Matterhorn was the god for the girl them. See? So when you talk about Matterhorn now, you have to talk about Richie feelings.
Straight goods.
Because remember say I saw me build my thing. Any man can talk on a bad man song.
Yeah.
Then any man can play a girl song. I make the girl them say, oh my God, I'm life the boy.
Yeah.
See me? So it was one of those days.
It was one of those, and you started swimming. Then I seen that eventually, when especially like Instagram and all these stuff started to come in, that's when I seen another level of Richie feelings again.
All right. This was always Richie feelings. Because I remember say 2014, you know.
Yeah.
2013, 2014 was Talk Your Mind with
Of course, with you and DeMarco and the rest of them in the studio.
That helped put a light on my thing too.
Yeah.
Because people never know the side there of me.
Yeah.
So it start coming on YouTube now and it becomes a series.
Yes.
On YouTube, people start saying, no, Richie, I idiot.
Yeah.
Because remember, these things couldn't just make up. So like, you have to have the humor with it and you have to know how to tell the story. Because I'm a storyteller.
I could tell.
You understand? And I tell the story so people can believe it. Remember, says me tell people, say, potential kid up and put a baby father, you know. You understand? So it's like, when she come out and talk and say, no go, so it's like them say,
Yeah.
So I like Richie tell all of these years,
Yeah.
because remember, say, I saw Richie stay. So a lot of people won't like how you be yourself, you know. Because remember, the world built up of so much hypocrite. That's when time you're being real, them think it's fake.
Straight goods.
See? So you have to just be yourself. Because a whole heap of people are afraid to be themselves. Remember Ziggy Marley say, I got to be true to myself, you know. So if you're going to make Ziggy tell you, be true to yourself. And you're still a fake to yourself.
Yeah.
God go with you.
Exactly.
See? Because one thing me learn, you know, talent no sell off a tree road, you know. You can't go down a western road and get that, you know.
No.
You can't go down a Jane and Finch or Jane and Wilson and go get no talent for buy.
Yeah.
You get clothes. You get shoes, you get hair, makeup and etc. But you not get no talent for buy. You can't buy talent. So me born with my talent, so I don't care what. Me I go forever have my talent because you don't lose it.
Yeah.
Because a time pass by where you take a step back because remember nothing in a season for long. Because remember Rory them did in a season.
Of course.
Then Matterhorn them come. Seeing and then other generation we come. Other people can come after we. Seeing what all you have to do is maintain because as a DJ you will come like young good like your last dance.
You understand.
So you have to prove yourself every time to the people.
Every night. It's every night you continue to prove this is who I am.
But you have to value yourself.
Yeah.
And know, say, listen, me, things and time change. Because if you notice, dance thing turn around Robin now.
Yeah.
And fish fry.
Yeah.
See? So if you chew two little shilling and a girl say, or a guy say, oh, you know, say, Richie may have a thing, more and get a little gas money. Then if you know, say, you in a music from 2000, when. And that little guy will just come in to him say him have the buzz there now. I can come tell you say I give you gas money.
Yeah.
And you know I can sit down and take that gas money. They never value yourself. Because sometimes you might hungry, you know, but you're not starving.
Big difference.
See?
Yeah.
People have to remember that something there. Hungry and starving is two different things.
Completely.
Suffering and struggling is two different things.
Yeah. One is temporary and one is a lot longer.
Right. So enough you still don't understand that. And then you can't tell them and them have to find it out.
Yeah.
Because it gets to know not everything come in if you want to run it down.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to make something pass you.
Because it's not you and you don't fit in every circumstance all the time.
See? So how me look upon it, I make a man know straight. I don't play for gas money.
Yeah.
Because here I understand how this promoting business go. I promote now business about you, you know. This is about him event.
Yeah.
Yes, in book you for entertain his audience.
Yeah.
But remember, you are not a priority.
Yeah.
You're an option. Because guess what? Yes, you might be the main attraction, but you're still an option because if you don't turn up, you still have someone to play the music.
True.
And now you have so much DJ now. It's like when you see all 5, 6 DJ upon a dance, you ask, what the time they were going to play?
Yeah.
Because the time is not there.
Yeah. And I guess somebody like you're used to playing, you could play an hour, 2 hours by yourself easily.
4 hours.
Easily.
Play Friday 4 hours, I play 12 to 4.
Okay. Easily.
Because I pace myself as a DJ.
Yeah.
That's why you have to know music and know when to change.
When to entertain
when to
the crowd.
Know when to say, all right, I hear that round here.
Yeah.
But done it now.
Yeah.
The girl, them are going to get mad right here, so no.
It's just like driving a standard car. You never start in the 4th gear. You always start in 1 and work your up to 5. And you see, by the time you get to 5, it's completely over. It's a different ball game.
Yes, man.
We're in 2020 right now. What is Richie Feelings doing in 2020 right now? What's your game plan moving forward right now?
Well, Richie Feelings this year, 2020, I actually... I'm on the verge of starting a YouTube page because, people always say that I'm inspiring. And, before, when December just come in, I actually started going to the gym.
I see that.
I put that on the ground and it inspire a whole lot of people because same way all the naysayers are going always say, because, sometimes people act like they know you more than what you know yourself.
Yeah.
So when I say I was going to the gym, them make all bet and them say, yo, Richie not going to make it past 2 weeks.
Okay.
So now when them go sabam now and them see like the process and the progress, them start say, John won't start Richie I trim down for sure. Because what them not understand is just like how them bet against me and tell me say some say 6 months they give me when me don't have a stone love, me not gonna make it.
Yeah.
See? And all kind of things them say.
Determination.
So me persistence. So me I can't give up on yourself. Remember, people give up on you, you never give up on yourself.
Exactly.
So 2020 I'm doing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna come out with a t-shirt line. I know me always say, "How you feeling?"
Yeah.
How you feeling? And I've made it.
Yeah.
Cause my slogans. Them always have a lot of talks. So
of course.
I'm gonna put them on some t-shirts and cause people say I should put them to the market. So yeah, before the year end. Matter of fact, it should have been out from January, but I have some little stops because I want to get the right printry to print it. The logo is there already, but the print is like. Some people don't do certain type of printing because I don't want to sell something and what you hear one time. I don't want people just to say because of me, them buy it. More want them buy it because of the product.
Quality product.
Quality. So what I mean, like, when I go like make other people. You understand? So I'm going on with a lot of things.
Yeah. And that's what we expect from somebody like you that has so much charisma, charm, and vibes. You understand? And right now, you are in Toronto, Canada. Before I even talk about that, before we talk about the dance while you're here, there's a serious issue going on right now in the world. Coronavirus. Yeah. All right? With the advent of social media, this is the first time in history that we've had social media since we've had such a global crisis. Do you think it's actually helping the situation or hurting the situation?
All right. In my case, there's a lot of panicking going on because my nation as Jamaica, we not take nothing serious until it happen.
Yeah.
And the major breakout, they said it was China.
Yeah.
And then how much people did at China, whatever. But I live in Jamaica and I do some research enough time. We had chikungunya down there.
Yes.
And we had Zika virus down there. And we had some other thing. And I know that this chikungunya, I get chikungunya. And it stay upon me for like a day.
Okay.
I feel a whole heap of giant pain.
Yeah.
Because if you have any form of illness, it react to the illness.
Got you.
That is why coronavirus, you hear the fatalities then because people have them immune system weak. So when enough people are talking about this corona, look at the 2 basketball of them.
Yeah.
Donovan Mitchell and Rudy Gobert, them catch it, right? And then they go play ball.
Yeah.
See me?
So it didn't.
So it's not as deadly.
Kill them right away. Yeah.
Attack. If you're up in a age and you see me, your immune system weak. So I see the whole world I buy out toilet tissue and I buy out this and that. I never know that people used to buy so much toilet tissue. Yeah. So me now I don't know there's something there. Yes, the world is at a panic stage right now because the world at standstill.
Yeah.
Because if you notice, people that want to say me still come to Canada or whatever. And me go to the airport and them say, Ray, me go back to my yard.
Yeah.
See me? But the work have to go on. Remember, school is out, the economy get lick. Big time. See me? But we as black people need to start read more and start read with understanding. Because everything that they write in front of we, like we read on the gossip site, them and we watch Wendy Williams and we watch all of the people them like Nicki Minaj life and Cardi B life and them on social media war over these two people you don't know.
Yeah.
See, if we take that time then I emancipate ourselves like what Bob said. Emancipate yourself from
mental slavery.
None but ourselves can
free our mind.
You understand? A lot of us, and we are enslaved ourselves.
Yeah.
Because nobody know what gonna we is.
Yeah.
Slavery is here still, but we are enslaved ourselves.
Yeah.
You have to always remember, say, you have a choice now. Back in them time, them tell you ancient days, I tell you, say, if your forefathers, and we passed this a long time.
Yeah.
We have a choice, so you have to get up and wise up yourself.
And that's what I think it is, because a lot of people have the social media, the Instagrams, the Facebooks, but they're just going off of, they're not actually doing the research. They're just seeing, they see you posted it, so then clearly it must be true if these three people posted it.
I don't post coronavirus, but just I watch and I learn.
Yeah.
See me? Because I see all the doctor man today come out and I talk about wash your hand like this and wash your hand like that, and I say, probably have views that man you look,
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So it's like, I'm going to jump up and follow. Because we have washed we hand a long time. We might not wash it often.
Yeah.
See me? And we can't stop to touch your face.
Yeah.
That's all of it is immune. I see how some people run go buy the mask.
Yeah.
And put on a style. Put it up on social media. Oh, I'm not taking a chance. And then two, them say them not taking a chance and them go there so go and a bag of thing.
Yeah.
Shit and I wash them on. See me? So it's like, and in a panic stage, I have big enough to worry about right now more than the coronavirus. Yes, it's real and people have to be aware and think. It's there everywhere.
Of course.
See me, but the big excitement we create over it. Remember, say, if we follow up with a year when Bill Gates said I tell you about it 10 years ago.
That's how I know you know what you're talking about. You're talking about the TEDx talk, the TED talk.
See me,
you understand.
People educate to, like Dr. Sebi and Dr.
Richie.
Umar and
You
see me, when you're too smart, boy, them try to shut you up,
Yeah.
You see me, so
you get it.
You have to just, you understand?
Yeah.
We as black people, that's what we say, all we look upon is the Hollywood lifestyle we look upon.
Yeah.
Because we say, yo, Drake have his own playing and all of the rapper them have them own playing and like we are look upon the Hollywood life, but we not look upon the real world. We see all a man go to Bam and him have him train pass. If you go take the train or take the bus and him live way out of one place and him have to reach at work for 8 o'clock, so him have to leave him here at 4 just for go reach and at a moderate time.
Yeah.
See me, that is the real world.
The real world.
Some man see the rapper them life and just for man buy a Lamborghini and I give man 500,000 and everybody want to go Hollywood now.
Yeah.
But them know say Hollywood, it take a whole heap to come with there. Sometimes you have to sell out your soul for reach over there.
You're a lot realer. You know a lot more than you lead on or most people even know. Certain names that you called is going to go over people's head in the podcast. Every name that you said, I know exactly what you're talking about, who you're talking about. You understand? Because you have to really be in tune and understand what's going on out there. You understand?
Definitely.
You know what I mean? Toronto now. You're here for, what are you here for this weekend?
Cypress birthday bash. A night called Queens and Princesses Pisces edition, beautiful ladies edition.
Definitely.
At the JCA Center. Seeing at Arrow Road. 955 Arrow Road.
You have a good memory.
Seeing, you don't know. Isos and Crucial Leave as the host, us squad book feet, and you don't know. City Heat Sound, book feet.
Yeah.
You understand? So, you don't know. That's what we're there for.
Yeah. What could they expect from Richie tomorrow night?
Well, Canada is a place where I take it very serious.
Yeah.
I love to entertain Canadian people. You understand? Them give me a different vibes. Just like England people.
Yeah.
Because England is the next place I love to. You see me? So, they have to expect what they always get and more.
Yeah.
Because it's 2020 now, so I have to come tell them some new things.
Yeah.
2020.
All right. we're gonna look out for
Definitely.
them. You know what I mean? Definitely. Before I get you out of here, I have a round called the Rapid Facts. Ask you some quick questions, you give me back some quick answers, and we're done.
Right.
All right? Okay. What's your favorite color?
The color you may have on right now, my favorite color.
Red.
Right.
All right. Okay. Your biggest fear?
My biggest fear. You know, say, I don't remember what is my biggest fear. I know my fear heights.
Yeah.
Yeah, my fear heights. So you're not going to see me I go on a bungee jumping.
Yeah, that's not you.
Certain, the height something then.
Yeah,
No,
that's not you. All right, no problem. Your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. But try it up on diet now.
Yeah.
I have to eat vegetable pasta.
Yes. All right. Are you a cooker or a cleaner?
I can cook and clean, man. But you don't know.
Which one do you prefer?
I prefer cooking now because, like, one time I couldn't cook, you know.
Okay.
I mean, I said, I feel love food, so.
Yeah.
And can't cook.
Yeah.
No, that's all changed. Anything right now we can cook, man. Anything. Chef Boy or Richie.
Right. I hear you, big boss. All right. What's the last book you read or listened to?
Listen me, I don't read no book for the last while, but I don't know. With up on the internet and I read up on some other thing. I'm like follow the animal page them.
Yeah.
With wildlife. You know, I follow wildlife a lot.
Yeah.
So wildlife can like it show you how the jungle wicked.
Yeah.
Because remember, say the lion supposed to be the king. But if he mess around and go into the water, the crocodile near him.
You know that.
You understand? I remember, say the hippopotamus big too. And if you mess around, the hippopotamus terrible.
Yeah.
And then remember the hyena them.
Yeah.
See, so you see the jungle is a real wildlife. So from if you can survive the jungle, you will survive anyway.
Makes sense.
You understand? Because remember, still the snake.
Yeah.
Terrible same way too. So you so much dangerous species there.
Yeah. You just got to play your role as an animal and stick to your thing. Yes.
I remember even the bear in the jungle also.
Yeah.
I remember you have the bear that climb tree.
Yes.
So I never see a lion that go up against a bear yet. So everybody have them fear for nothing. So you say the boy Papa Bear, you have to love him.
Yeah. All right. I got you. Makes sense. What's your hobby?
Basketball and music.
Okay. Good. What's your hidden talent?
My hidden talent? I'm a good basketball player.
Okay. All right. How do you relax?
By chilling in front of the TV watching basketball.
Okay.
Or some comedy, because I love watch comedy, you know.
Yeah.
I love laugh.
Yeah, we could tell.
Anything entertaining,
Yeah.
I'll be watching that.
Got you.
Once it make me laugh.
Okay. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, I have a lot of movies that I love to watch. You know, all the Tyler Perry movie them. Seeing and I love action movie also, like, you know, the Dolph Lundgren them and Van Damme them and like watch old school movie, like I still watch 48 Hours with Eddie Murphy.
Okay.
See? I still watch Romeo Must Die.
Yeah.
Remember I still watch Third World Cup, like every week I watch Third World Cup.
Okay.
I watch Harder They Come, I watch Smile Orange.
Yes.
I watch Rockers.
Yes.
You understand? All of them, some of them I still watch them, I still get a laugh out of them someday and them think they are foundation.
Got you.
So I might think them there.
All right. You prefer water or juice?
Water.
Okay. Something sweet or salty?
None of them.
Okay.
Because something too salty has your pressure.
Yeah.
Something too sweet, your diabetes.
Yeah. So you can't wait.
So none of them.
All right. Last one here. Favorite comedian of all time?
My favorite comedian of all time, you know, it's not just one person. Because remember Christopher Johnny Daly.
Yes.
I grew up on this Lime Tree Lane. Seeing and Glenn Titus Campbell.
Yes.
Seeing and Balier Johnson. Seeing all of and IT and Fancy Cat. Pretty Boy Flight. All the Jamaicans who is in comedy.
Yeah.
Is my favorite. Yes, we'll watch, you know, Kevin Hart them, Chris Rock, and Mike Epps them and all of these, everybody who is in comedy, Jamie Foxx, because remember Martin, I still watch Martin reruns them.
Okay.
Same way. Yeah, man, I have my old school thing, I turn on and watch them. Same way, I still get a laugh out of them, same way.
And you're good to go.
Right away without no delay.
Crazy, right? That's the end of the rapid facts. Now, before I get you out of here, anything you want to say, anything you want to big up, leave your contact, and we're good to go.
Well, if you want to find me, you can just find me on Instagram, Richie Feelings 1. And I'm on Twitter, Richie Feelings with a Z. I'm on Facebook, Richie Feelings with a Z. All the social media network, I'm on them. So if you want to find me, you can find me. Toronto, is a place where I have to big one up all the while. Big up Hype Ross.
Yes.
If you take a chance with me, you understand, and him know say him never lose after me, so I have to big up Hype Ross. See him, because when people deal with you good, you have to deal with them good too.
Exactly.
Normally you don't do that something there because of everybody is not the same, but when respect you, it fall and it just till it fall. So Hype Ross, big up yourself and big up the whole of T, that the whole Canada, from way over one part to over one part to over one place. And big up all of the listeners, them and thing. And yeah, it was nice to be here.
Yes.
All girls hold tight. And make sure you hold tight. See? Out of his mercy.
That's the Richie I know. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.